Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. And in today's video, we are going to be talking all about eczema, yes, which is also known as atopic dermatitis. I'm going to be taking you guys through my personal journey dealing with eczema, how I found out I had eczema and how I've been able to manage it so far. Yes, and in turn help you if it's something that you are also dealing with. Now, if you're interested in this, please keep on watching. First, let's talk about how I found out I had eczema. Now, trust me, I had eczema for years and I didn't know that it was eczema. Now, this might sound weird to some people, like, how do you have eczema and you do not know that it was eczema? Now, in this part of the world where I'm from, some people, I'll say most people, me included, I always associated eczema with yellow patches on the skin because that was what I always saw growing up. When I see someone that has like yellow patch on the skin, they'll say, "Oh, this person has eczema, that's eczema." And so I never ever thought that eczema could be black on black skin. You understand? So because my own eczema didn't appear as a yellow patch, my own eczema was like black patches, and I'm going to be attaching a lot of pictures of my eczema so that you guys can see. I never knew that it was eczema. All this while, I thought I had a sensitive skin. You understand? I thought I had a sensitive skin and I was reacting to most of my skincare products. So I was always changing products. I'm going to buy this soap today and this body lotion today, and I will have eczema. It's going to be itching, and I'll just feel like, I'm reacting to this product again. You know, it was always frustrating. Like, which product am I going to use and I am not going to react to? My skin is too sensitive and all that. That was just all what was in my head. That was what I was thinking. I was like, one day I just know that I'm going to find this skincare product that is for me, that is not going to break me out. I was thinking, I was breaking out to this product and it is not going to itch me like crazy. So that was all what I was thinking. I never knew that it could be eczema until earlier this year when I was doing my research, because these patches kept on increasing, kept on making me so uncomfortable, kept on itching me. Guys, the itch is not from this world. The itch is not from this world. I would just be like, what kind of skin is this? What kind of skin do I have? And apart from the itching, the patches as well that it leaves on my arm. Now, my own eczema is mostly on my arm, my shoulders, yes, around my shoulders, and my chest and my back. I had a lot. That was where I had my own eczema. And because of that, I'm not able to wear some kind of clothing. Because as someone that is into skincare, if people see this thing on your body, they won't understand that you are having a skincare condition or something. They will not understand. They'll be looking at you like, oh, this girl is dirty. What's all this on her body? Because they do not know better. Even me, I didn't know better. And because of that, I was limited. I couldn't wear some kind of clothing. I always felt ashamed. I always felt shy if people see that thing on my body, because I just felt like this is not presentable. This doesn't make sense. I'm not supposed to be having this. But like I said, with much research, after I did all my research, I realized that I had eczema all this while. It was not my skin reacting to like a skincare product or something, even though in a way the skincare product kind of made my eczema flare up, and we are still going to get into that. Yes, but it wasn't necessarily like this. I was reacting to any skincare product. It was just me having eczema. Yes, I literally have like eczema prone skin. So that was how I found out that I had eczema and not reacting to any skincare products. Now, after that, let's talk about eczema. Like, what exactly is eczema? How do I know that I have eczema? Because trust me, what I've come to realize is eczema can look different on different skin type. Even on black skin, eczema can look different. Now, first of all, eczema is like an inflammation of the skin. You have eczema when your skin barrier is compromised. Yes, now normally the skin barrier is supposed to help the skin retain moisture so that your skin is going to be looking, plump, looking glowy all day. But when your skin barrier is compromised, it means that your skin is losing moisture. And so you are getting irritated basically, because you are losing moisture, your skin is getting irritated, and it is very, very itchy, and it is leaving like patches on your skin, like dark brown patches on your skin. Now, according to research, there is no exact cause of eczema. Yes, but we know that eczema can actually run in families. So you can have eczema because maybe most people in your family have it. Another reason why you can have eczema is you can have an eczema prone skin. And I think that is it for my case. I actually do have an eczema prone skin. Another reason is because your skin barrier is compromised. I think in both cases, your skin barrier is compromised. To manage eczema, you have to find out what triggers your eczema. You have to find out the cause of your eczema and then try and eliminate it. Because different people can actually have different causes of their eczema. It could be allergy. In most cases, it could be allergy. It could be something you are eating that is making your eczema flare up. It could be dust that is making your eczema flare up. It could be your skincare. It could be that you are using harsh skincare. Most people with eczema, I would say, have sensitive skin, and you should avoid skincare products with fragrance. So it could be that you have a particular skincare product with fragrance in your routine that is flaring up your eczema. So you have to cut out skincare products that have fragrance and opt for fragrance free moisturizers or body washes. Yes, it could also be stress or different environmental factors. Now, in my own case, what I did that has greatly helped my eczema is I cut out all fragrance products in my routine. I stopped using products that has fragrance. I opted for fragrance-free products. I also went for products that are formulated, specially formulated for dry skin and eczema skin. Yes, my body lotion, I stopped using lightweight moisturizers that, your body is already losing water. Like your skin barrier is compromised, you are losing moisture, you are losing water. You shouldn't use lightweight moisturizers. Trust me, you don't need lightweight moisturizers in your routine. You need thick moisturizers that would lock in your moisture for a longer time. You also need moisturizers that are specially formulated for people that have dry, rough, itchy skin, and also products that are specially formulated for eczema. So please, let's go of all those lightweight moisturizers that have fragrance that you are using. It is just going to make your eczema even come more. And the product I started using, this E45 moisturizing lotion, has been a game changer in my routine. Now, this one is actually written there: straightforward skincare moisturizing lotion, 24-hour moisturization, clinically proven to help protect from dryness, soothe roughness, reduce redness, reduce scaling and flaking for dry and sensitive skin, dermatologically tested. Like, this is what you need in your skincare routine. Something like this is what you need in your skincare routine that is going to help you. That is going to help you. You do not need all those other products that are lightweight, that has fragrance, and is going to, even flare up your eczema the more. Now these are the very rich, creamy texture. It is not really thick, but it is creamy. It is rich, it is creamy, and it is especially formulated for dry, sensitive skin. So it works. This will work for you as well. And so my body wash as well, I incorporated body washes that has AHA in my routine. Even if you want to exfoliate, I would not advise that you go for physical exfoliants. I would say you should go for chemical exfoliants that have AHAs in them, because AHAs also help dry, bumpy skin as well. So yeah, the one I'm using is this. This is the Alpha Skincare. This Alpha Skincare contains glycolic acid, and that is the reason why I went for it. It contains glycolic acid, HA. It contains aloe vera as well. I know that aloe vera is also like a very skin healing, skin soothing natural ingredient, and it contains vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It's very, very moisturizing. So this is the body wash I use, but I use this one during, like, in my nighttime routine, because it contains AHA. In my daytime routine, I use the Dove body wash. Yes, that's the Dove beauty bar soap, the one that doesn't have any fragrance. Yes, that's the one I use. Dove beauty bar soaps are not harsh on the skin. They are very, very okay, even if you have sensitive skin. So that is what I use in my skincare routine, and it has been helping me so bad. Also, I use my body oil. Like, I need to always moisturize my skin. Your skin needs to always be moisturized like 247. if you want to reduce your eczema, you need to be moisturizing your skin because, like I said, dry skin mostly leads to eczema. Most people have eczema because they have dry skin, they have a compromised skin barrier. So you always want to make sure your skin is moisturized. You always want to make sure your skin is moisturized. So after I apply my body lotion, I go in with this is my jojoba oil, any oil of your choice. But I would say you should go for oils that you know that they are very, very good for the skin. They are skin healing, they are skin soothing oils like jojoba oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil. Those oils are very, very good for the skin. They have like skin healing properties and skin soothing properties. Another thing you can do to get rid of your eczema is to try and get tested for allergy. Yes, try and get tested for allergy. Trust me, you'll find out that you are probably allergic to something that you are eating, and that is what is causing your eczema flare up. So I also want to get tested for allergy because I feel like I need to do it to find out if there is also another cause of my eczema. Another option people use is steroid creams. Now, me, I do not necessarily advise that you use steroid creams because I feel like steroid creams are just temporary. I've used steroid creams before. I used steroid cream to the extent that they stopped working for me. Trust me. You know, all this over the counter cream or creams that they'll prescribe to you and say, okay, use this and it's going to clear your eczema. It will clear it at first, but then your eczema will come back, and you will use it, it will clear it, it will come back again, and it will get to a point your skin will build resistance to these products and it will not work anymore. It happened to me. It won't work anymore. You get? So I do not advise that you use steroid cream because it will work to the extent that it will not work again. So I would just say you should find out the root cause of your eczema, try and get tested for allergy, cut out fragrance products from your skin, always stay moisturized, and then you'll be able to, eliminate totally this eczema. In a nutshell, dealing with eczema is not easy. It can be very, very uncomfortable. The itching, the scaliness, it is not even easy. Sometimes you can't even wear tight clothing because once you start feeling it starts itching you. You have to wear loose clothing. You can't wear what you want because you do not want your eczema showing and people asking you, what's this on your skin? Have you tried using this? Have you tried using that? It is definitely not easy, but trust me, with some lifestyle changes, with some skincare changes, you can totally, totally eliminate eczema or at some point, manage the eczema to a very, very large extent. So, yes, thank you guys for watching. That is all I have for this video. If you have any questions that you feel like I've not touched on, you can ask me in the comment section and I'm definitely going to reply your questions. So, thank you for watching and please do not forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment, share this video, and yes, I will see you guys in my next video.